Alright, the project at hand here today is I've been out doing some logging, cutting down some trees to take to the mill, and firewood and just things like that. Problem is there's really no good place on this Kubota for my saw. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to make a chainsaw scabbard. Got some holes here on the loader mount that I'm probably going to utilize, so I don't have to put any holes in, so I don't have to put any new holes in it. So let's get started. Got this CPVC that work was getting rid of, so I think I'm going to use that for the scabbard itself. This is going to be a very similar design to the one I built for my John Deere. Alright, I'm adding this block as a spacer just to offset or get this set off of the loader frame so that it clears my bolt heads here. want to use a bigger bolt on those. These bolts are a little small and have too much play. That turned out awesome. I had thought about painting it, but the CPVC is pretty much the same gray that's on my dash and everything else. And rather than, you know, paint it and have it get scratched up anyway, I might as well just leave it that gray CPVC color. Blends right in anyway, so that worked out pretty good. You could use wood, you could use steel if you're, you know, a good steel fabricator or whatever and you want to weld something up, but the CPVC or wood or something soft is nice because it's not going to ding your saw blade up. You probably want, you wouldn't want steel over your blade, I guess, now that I think about it, but I'm really happy with it. So much more room up on the tractor platform, easier getting on and off. I can hop up here, it's not my way. You know, maybe if you were a super big guy or older, it might hinder you a little bit, but I wanted to utilize those mounting holes that are already there. So I think it worked out pretty good. You know, when you're hopping up and on or off, you can actually, you know, pull it out when you're up above and then hop off your tractor. And it'll fit pretty much any size saw. The overall length here is 18. I've got a 24-inch bar on there, so you know, anything from probably 16 on up would work. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button and the notification bell. It really helps the channel out, and appreciate you guys watching. So we'll see you next time.